Hey guys, it's your boy Waldo, back at it again with another video. Today's Halloween. I only dressed up for school, and that's about it. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not gonna do anything besides this one thing. It's in the title probably. Don't want to show my address. I probably put it in the title, so you already know what it is already. Screenshot that, boys. Oh, it's so good. I ordered a revenge hoodie. Oh my god, I don't even want to get rid of the... Alright. So first, the revenge hoodie. Yeah, the sleeve. I don't even know. Wait, what does it say? Revenge is in the cresting flame. Wait, what? Am I saying this correctly? Okay. Revenge is the creator's... What? I'm a fake friend. Nice. Hanos. Wait, what is that? What does that even say? Oh my gosh, I got fakes. I have no idea what this says at the end. Hold on, let me just... If you guys could read that, leave in what it says in the comments below. And in the back, we have a skull and an R. Hold on. Just in time for Halloween too. My friend Joseph, he got the shorts. Oh. And the inside has a little label. So that's that. That's the hoodie. And all the stuff I got was large. And a Revenge t-shirt. I don't know. Oh yeah, it also has a label on the front, right, or inside of it. So I'm pretty happy with those pickups so far. I am currently theorizing whether what should I do with my channel at all, because no one is watching my channel whatsoever because I'm becoming irrelevant. I lost about 2 subscribers. So yeah, we're gonna wash shoes again. I think it'll just be a time lapse this time, honestly. Then I'm gonna work out. I haven't been reviewing what I've said that I ate last time. I put day 2. Honestly, I might get rid of that footage, just me running again and then saying what I ate and stuff, and that's pretty boring. So I'm gonna do a time lapse of me cleaning Joseph's shoes. Pretty excited that I got the revenge stuff. I might wear the revenge stuff just about now. Anyway, here comes a time lapse of me cleaning Daniel's shoes. And Daniel, I'm sorry if I don't live up to the hype. As in, if I don't clean your shoes properly, like I was saying, look at my shoes, they're clean. Hopefully I live up to the hype. Lol. You guys are probably cringing about that. This is not gonna be a time lapse. I just realized that. Because I want to show Daniel. No, give me a sec. Alright. Safety first, you guys. I've just made it into my own. I just threw that over my couch. First you gotta put on the gloves, dude, because you don't want to catch anything from shoes. Dude. Now to pull out the shoes. These are the best, easiest ever. Right here. Best quality ever, dude. Look at this. Look at the front. Look at this on the side. Oh my gosh. So beast, am I right? These are his prized possessions, dude. Don't want to ruin them. Then the next thing you do is want to get a nice warm bucket or bowl of water. Then you pull out your tools, your CREP PROTECT. I got the CREP Cure sponsored. Just kidding, it's not. Please don't sue me. The Cure wipes. Put the box to the side. Then I believe what you want to do is first dip the brush in there. Then you want to take it out. Then you want to, I already took off without realizing it. Then you want to put the serum all over the brush and then dip it back in there. I'm doing this all off memory, by the way. I'm not 100% doing this right. Okay, I got the soap coming out. Trying to get everything so far. Gotta do this for Daniel, dude. Gotta put my heart and soul into the shoe. I don't know if I should even clean the bottom. The bottom's already gonna be dirty the next time you freaking wear these. Pretty white from, oh wait, let me just right up. Had to work all night on these, dude. Had to just buy him a new pair instead and get $5 for it. Nice. Good investment. Huh. This looks clean, like cleaner than, this looks way cleaner than that already. This is the clean one, I believe, yeah. And this is the dirty one. And yeah, there's a difference, that's for sure, but I should buy a CREP pill just to make it like seem like you get the full experience of getting like a new shoe again. So you could just smell like new. I'm gonna tip this over. Still warm? Yeah, still warm. Alright, so I'm gonna can I just dip it in? Yes, and it is. Yes. So all I needed to do last time was just dip my brush in there and last time I just did the whole entire process over and over again. Try to clean the little gum right here. But that's impossible. Sorry for getting your hopes up, Daniel. But my miracle worker. I'm doing this for $5 too, dude. So if you guys want to hit me up in the DM, send me your shoes and I'll clean them for $5. Only US though, and legal. And you have to go to Lingwood High. Oof. So let me just put it close up to the light. This is not for your guys' angle, it's for mine. I had to like see if there's like any more dirt. Oscar just sent me a Snapchat, probably just a streak. I believe it is cleaner than the first one, of course. Nothing down there. This is white. Alright, trying to clean the back of this right here. Dip it here once again. just going crazy on his shoe, dude. Because I want him to give me a good review and then spread the word that I'm a good shoe cleaner. And that's weird, shoe cleaner. I want to be a musician, but I'll be a shoe cleaner for now to get my clout up, you know? That's cringy. Never say that again. Nah, I'll probably say it tomorrow. Take pride to the cringe. Just kidding, don't. Try to away from it. Alright. So I believe this shoe, I've done everything that I could to it. I'm gonna compare the pictures, like, after this to the pictures he sent me. Like, he sent me pictures before pictures. This is gonna be, I can't take pictures. Or I can take pictures, but it'll be in bad quality because I take front camera pictures with my iPhone 4, and this is like just for this iPhone 5 is just for front camera videos and stuff. So yeah, I believe I'm gonna ask my mom if like she will know the difference, because I want an honestly my mom will give me an honest response. So I'm hoping someone in my family will. So yeah, see about that later. I wonder if his mom will say anything like, "Oh, where's your other shoes?" Or I wonder if his mom, like, he even told his mom anything, or he tells his mom everything, and she knows that I have his shoes and clean them. Because apparently his mom is mean. Oh my gosh, his mom's gonna watch this later, and then say, "What are you saying that stuff about me?" And then take away his phone for like an eternity. I don't see that much soap that's coming out for sure. Gonna dip in soap once again. Oh yeah, and Young Lost, or Israel, aka Young Lost, is coming up with a new song today called, no, Midnight was the last song, I'm sorry, I'm a fake supporter. Just kidding, it's Forever Alone, and it's coming out at 7 today, so if I drop this video before 7, which probably won't because this video will take an hour to rent probably, just kidding, probably 20 minutes or so. Sometimes my uploads can be random. I haven't even uploaded the last video that I posted up on my channel, because, I don't know, I feel like no one will watch it either way if I post it up late, so it doesn't matter. I don't know if it's still dirty, or do I have to go another round on it. There's a big dirt spot right here, but yeah, I'll just try to take that off. I should have got a before picture. Not thinking about it. Just for myself, or from myself. The revenge merch, like some people said the quality was bad on the comment section on Revenge's Instagram, which, I don't know. it just feels pretty good. Feels good to own like one of my favorite artists, merch and stuff. And apparently, like, there's big drama going on that X is stopping music, which I think he's gonna continue music sooner or later, just not at the current moment. Probably will continue later, but as of now, probably not. Apparently he's gonna release one more track, but apparently X and Slump, or is it Ski Mask, aka the Slump God, or is it the other way around? This video is 10 minutes so far. Sorry, off topic. So they're having a little bit of drama. I don't know what's going on. Apparently like the fan page of X saying they don't have drama currently, but then X posted, or not X, Slump God posted like something on his story saying they're doing like some satanic, like giving yourself up there, something like that. I don't know. Something about like possession and all that. I don't know for sure it was about that. I'm just saying it was like, I don't know. It was something, I don't know, I forgot what it was. Something about that, I don't know, I'm not for sure. But I believe this should be the finished product. I don't know if it's good or not. I don't know if I should do more. I'm gonna look around, see if there's anything. There's a scuff mark right here. It's gone, but there's a little bit more dirt. So yeah, X and Slump haven't been making music apparently because of that, because the thing he posted today. And today is Halloween, aka October 1st. Some people don't celebrate Halloween. Or just, I don't know if celebrating is right, is the correct word. I don't know though. I don't know how you would like to, what you do on Halloween, or how you would like to represent Halloween is. Like, I don't know if people have their different things with Halloween, like they celebrate or you don't, or you call it by something else. I don't know what, but Dia de los Muertos, I believe is on Halloween as well. There's a little dirt on the side. Hopefully I cleaned it. So X is gonna stop making music apparently, and Revenge is owned by Slump, I believe. So I don't know if it's my favorite. Like X is one of my top favorite artists. I like him. I like his music. But X, I like his music as well. But apparently he's gonna create merch on his like own by Bad Vibes Forever, which seems like a fan page as well, but I don't know. Apparently X has been doing stuff with them too, but I've seen that they have before, but it turned into a fan page like for a couple weeks, months, I don't know. I don't know if I did everything to it. I mean, there's this big gum mark right here. If you could. You can't see it, the light's too bright. Is there anything else I'd like to tell you about today? Nope. So, I think I'm just gonna make a little time lapse here, you guys. Bro. So I'm currently on my other phone. Let me just face behind the light. So here's one of the left shoe. Some of the stuff couldn't be taken off because it's like gum and scuff marks. I believe there's like one scuff mark that like is a line. Hold on. See, like there's some gum right there. And then here's fine. Big giant line right there. That's fine. Come over here. Scuff mark right there. I couldn't take that off. And then another gum. I believe there's a line right there. That couldn't be taken off. And I believe that's it. Yeah, so I'm still recording, or no, I'm not. Pause the time lapse on that phone. Now on this. So this is behind the scenes, you guys. Oh my gosh, that's Daniel's bag, the one he gave to me. So I put his stinky shoes in. See you in the next clip or so.